What's up, Park Hyatt? Good to see you. I'm glad to be back. As you can see, there have been some changes for the better, I think. Here today to talk to you about the classic braise, turning a usually inexpensive cut of meat into something really special and delicious. Braise just means cooking in a moist environment, the original definition of slow food. As we could all agree, we have plenty of time on our hands. Take your time, enjoy the process. So here you go. Once you understand the basic techniques, you could apply this to really anything. Chicken, fish even. Just right, you could braise anything. You could braise vegetables. Just adjust the cooking time. When I do these kind of dishes, I like to buy in larger quantities, wrap things up and freeze. What I talked about before, expensive cuts of meat. So this is a chuck flat, boneless chuck flat, which is essentially the same muscle as short rib, just cut from a slightly different part of the animal. So now that we know a little bit more about our cuts of beef, let's get cooking. I love it. I'm getting hungry just thinking about it. Bonus! Don't you hate getting stuck with a half-empty can of tomato paste in the fridge and nothing to do with it? Wish that there was something that you could do to save it for another great recipe? Well, here's what I do. I freeze it. Check it out.
Attack of the killer tomatoes! Attack of the killer tomatoes! They'll beat you, bash you, squish you, mash you, chew you up for broth.
I hope you enjoy learning a little bit more about these classic techniques. I hope you could apply them yourselves, make a delicious meal for you and your family, and we'll see you next week. Take care. Do you hear something? Is that a mouse?
No!
Oh, it's my kid! Do you have anything to say to the studio audience?
I love my daddy.
Yes! Okay, you got a treat.